Another day and I'm back with another new video. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be quite interesting because I have something very useful to show you all guys. So this is a smart 360 camera. It's like a security camera made for your home and office, and let me tell you, these days security is quite important guys, either for your home or office, and that is why these sort of gadgets are like quite essential. And on top of that, it's like very affordable also guys, and offers like plethora of features which I'll tell you in this video. So as I've told you just now, it's like a smart 360 camera. The name itself describes it. It's a camera that you can completely control. You can monitor the movements, complete 360 degrees pan and tilt is there, gives you like a full HD 1080p real-time preview of what is happening at that place wherever you place it, and also has like lots of smart features built into it guys. Special thing is it's got like intrusion alarm system, motion tracking. For example, somebody enters into your room and camera detects it, the camera will automatically follow that person and give you real-time updates on your phone along with the video as well. And on top of that, you can even trigger something like intrusion alarm on this thing to scare that person. Very interesting. And also has like all the other features guys. Infrared night vision is also there, two-way intercom is also there, and lots of stuff. So this is what we'll be unboxing today, and best part is it's like completely designed and made in India guys, with trust of Hero Electronics, and it's called as a Qubo Smart Cam 360. So that is what we'll be unboxing in this video. Anyways, let's get started. So guys, here's that smart 360 camera which I was talking about from Qubo. Comes in this sort of box packaging. As you can see, you've got the Qubo branding, says a Hero Group venture, even has a picture of the product. And best part about this product is it's completely designed and made in India guys. So I'm like quite excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. So before we actually talk about all of its features and highlights, let me just remove this outer packaging, and then you'll get like a better idea on the box packaging. So going to the side guys, you've got all of its features and stuff mentioned, and at the back guys, here are the main details. So as I've told you guys, this is a 1080p full HD smart Wi-Fi camera that offers full color even in low lighting situation as well. Has like a complete 360 degree pan and tilt control, intruder alarm system is there, two-way intercom audio, person detection, motion tracking is also there, and it's also like fully smart. It works with both Alexa and Google Assistant as well. So those were some of its main features and highlights guys, and that is pretty much it. There is nothing much written on the box packaging. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me just tear this seal on the package and then open the box and show you how the actual product looks like. So as soon as you open it, there's an accessory box at the top. We'll just come back to this again in a moment guys, and there's one more box just below that, must be for the camera. Let me just take it out. There you go guys, this is the smart 360 camera I was talking about from Qubo. Comes packed like this. There you go, our first look at the product. Oh wow, it actually kinda looks cute, very nice. So we'll just come back to this camera in a moment guys. First let me also show you quickly the accessories that we got in the package. So in this box you get some paperwork. Just make sure to read this guys. It includes all the manual and instruction guides and all that stuff. You get a USB cable to connect to the power adapter, and here's the power adapter for the 360 camera. And lastly, in the package, you also get some wall mounting screws. That's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the product and talk about the design and the build quality. I mean, just look at this thing, guys. The Qubo 360 camera is very cute and looks lovely from my first impressions. I like the color also, completely glossy white finish with a touch of black accents here and there. You've got the Qubo branding over here, and there's a sticker that says by moving the camera to this position, you can actually access the SD card slot. There you go, here it is. So this is where you need to install the SD card. And talking about the build quality guys, build quality looks very nice. It has a complete glossy surface in white finishing that looks quite shiny and definitely looks like a premium category product. Going to the backside here, you've got some ports and buttons guys. This is a micro USB port to connect to the power adapter, and beside that you've got a reset button I believe. And on the bottom side guys, you've got some rubber foot pads on all the four sides, and then you've got wall mounting slots over here, and has some details about the product at the center. That is pretty much it guys. There's nothing else on the camera. So what I'll do is I'll quickly show you how to set it up and then get started with the features and the main highlights. Alright guys, so that was our unboxing and first look at the camera. So now let me tell you like how to set it up and use this camera. So setup part was like very easy guys. All you need to do is just connect the power adapter to this camera and leave it for like 10 seconds for the initialization, and after that you'll need to download the Qubo app on your phone, available on both Play Store or Apple App Store guys, and just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be done with the setup in less than 5 minutes guys. See, basically setup process is you'll need to connect this camera to your Wi-Fi 2.4G network, and after that now you'll be able to access all of its features. So very simple setup guys. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly give you a closer look at the app and then we'll talk about all of its main features and highlights. So the name of the app is called as Qubo, available on both Play Store and Apple App Store, and using that you can fully control this camera. And as I've told you guys, it's very easy and convenient to use it. You can place the camera tabletop surface like this or even wall mounted upside down. The choice is up to you guys. So there you go, this is how the home screen on the app looks like, and as you can see it gives you like a real-time live preview in 1080p HD quality, and on the bottom guys gives you like status updates. For example, if it detects any person, it'll immediately notify you on the app and even sends you notifications directly on the phone. You've got a couple of camera modes available like home, night mode, away mode, and on the home screen guys it gives you status updates and current mode of the camera and these sort of stuff. So let's jump into the camera mode and check out the quality of the video that you get in real-time preview. Let's just put the phone sideways, you'll get like a better look at this, right? So there you go guys, as you can see this is how the real-time preview on your phone looks like. Everything happens in real time guys, and quality actually looks pretty good from my first impressions. There's great amount of detail and color quality is also decent, and first thing I'll have to say is the viewing angle guys. It's got like a wide viewing area, so that is very good considering that it's a security camera, and you've got like lots of options available over here. You can manually record using the camera or even set it to like auto recording whenever any motion is detected and these sort of stuff. You can trigger microphone to talk with the person sitting in front of the camera, or you can even use speaker to listen to that person. I've told you right, it's got like two-way intercom, and at the top side guys you've got like cursor settings available as well to fully control the movements of the camera. You can tilt it all the way up and down, and you can even pan it left or right. Full complete motion control is in your hands guys. Full 360-degree control is there, and you also have like toggles for manual video recording. So going into the settings, here you've got a couple of options. For the video recording you can even enable like auto recording clips whenever someone is detected moving in the scene. You've got notification settings, motion tracking is also there. I'll give you a live demo of this thing and show you how it works. And you've got some rotate image options. For example, if you set the camera upside down in your home, you can use it to rotate the image. You've got Alexa integration, so you can even use voice commands to access this camera. For example, all you need to say is, hey Alexa, show me my camera, and that's it. You'll get a live preview from this 360 cam from Qubo. So now let me show you some video clips recorded by this Qubo smart camera and talk about the quality. As mentioned earlier, it records videos in 1080p Full HD, and the video quality is actually very good considering the price point. There's good amount of detail. Just look at the text on my chair. Very clear and easily readable. By the way, this was done in indoor lighting situation. The colors are also nice and accurate. Field of view is wide, so lots of information shown in the video. And best part is, faces are clearly visible guys. You can easily identify people in the video. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the video quality. And now let's also check out the night vision mode. Whenever lights are turned off or there's complete darkness, the camera will automatically enter into the infrared night vision mode. So you can get like a full video coverage even during nighttime or total darkness. Not bad, right? Pretty decent results actually. Just have a look at this clip so you'll get an idea. And guys, apart from the regular night vision mode, the camera also has an option to record this whole thing in full color also in low lighting situation, and that is what I'm exactly showing you right now. And the audio that you're hearing is also through directly Qubo Smart 360 cam. Hello, check 1 2 3. This is how it sounds like. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now comes the best feature of the camera, advanced motion tracking. When enabled, the camera will automatically detect any person or object moving in the scene and follows them until the very end. Here's a demo of the same. As you can see, the camera was following my movements exactly as I was roaming in the room. And good thing is, the motors on it were silent. It was moving without making much noise, so the intruder won't even know that he's actually being tracked. And just in case if you want to scare that person, just press this alarm button in the app and voila, the camera produces a loud police-like siren, and that'll definitely freak him out. And last but not the least, it even has 24/7 continuous video recording feature. So you never miss any moment from the time of installation. All the video clips will be saved on the micro SD card in a date-wise folder. So you can easily access it from there, or you can even directly check out the footage from the app itself, guys, using this event timeline over here, which is much more convenient. Just drag this timeline to any point you wish to see and the app will show you the video. So these were some of the major features on the Qubo SmartCam 360. And wait a second, I forgot to mention, apart from saving the recorded video clips on local SD card, there's an option to back it up on their cloud network also. And best part is, this whole thing is done in India, guys. I mean, the software development, app features, and even the cloud network, everything is done in India from scratch and managed also from here only. So you don't need to worry anything about privacy issues or data theft, as all the data is like fully encrypted and safe. This is one thing I really have to appreciate about the brand. Well, that's it, our detailed video on the SmartCam 360 from Qubo. It's a very good product, guys, offers lots of smart features, 1080p video recording with live preview from anywhere in the world, 360-degree coverage, infrared night vision, and offers intruder alarm system as well. The product costs around 2,890 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. And not just this, Qubo has like a complete range of home smart products, like you've got video doorbell, smart home devices, and even smart locks also. Just make sure to have a look at their profile. Links will be in the description box below. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to learn a lot. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.